Hello guys and welcome. Let us speak a little bit about safety. As you know, and you should care about that, AI will develop a lot faster and more in the future. And if this situation will happen, a lot of jobs are in danger. And I asked ChatGPT a specific prompt. And the question is, what are secure paths in IT? Because I want to work in IT and love IT. So I asked ChatGPT, what are safe paths in IT which are secure with a growing demand in the future and skills which nobody can take away from you and AI is not possible to replace? And the answer are a couple of jobs. The result is jobs like prompt engineer, blockchain and Web3 developer, cybersecurity, cloud engineer are just a couple of examples. What you should learn from this answer is AI is not just stealing jobs. It will as well give us new opportunities in the future. You will get the chance to work in different directions. If you are open-minded and have the willpower to learn new things on a regular basis, and the result is you are not able to work in a fabric where you just put products into a box. You have to be all the time up to date because the world is changing really fast. Everything gets more developed and opens up new opportunities for you. So what I want to explain is, take me as an example. I work in a job right now which will be not there in the next 5 to 10 years. And if you do the 9 to 5, and I know 70 to 80% around the world is doing that because we all have to pay bills, you have to do something which is secure and safe. And nothing in the world is safe, and being in a 9 to 5 is the most risk at all because you're depending on one income. If your income is going away because of, I don't know, like the government is closing or you get laid off or you have structural changes in your company, you will lose everything. You are right now all in your 9 to 5. And it shouldn't be the normal case. As well, we have advantages and disadvantages about this. But if you put it into the safety topic, it is a huge disadvantage overall. The only way to get really rich is to create your own business. You can start it as a side hustle and see if you can validate it and get money. And after that, you can look how your business is going and choose what you want to do. But going as well all in into your business without validating it, it is as well a big risk. So that would be my preferred way. And what I want to tell you about the whole AI topic and how the future will change is, take me as an example. My job currently is in a risk and I have most probably to work more than 30 years until I get retired. And the main goal of this channel is to invest and be financial free. And except investing into ETFs, stocks and crypto, I don't do anything else. I'm not a big fan of real estate or other investments. I just try to figure out a solution. But what I want to tell you is, if you work 8 hours on your laptop or PC or whatever, you get exhausted. And after that, you don't want to start to work, for example, on more projects to learn new skills. The best way would be if you get money to learn new skills and develop yourself and learn more. So if I summarize everything, I just want to tell you, be open-minded, look for opportunities, risk a couple of times in your life because you have to, otherwise you will get behind like Nokia. You have to grow with practice and everyone is different, but I never saw somebody who just learned something with theory. You have to do these things to learn it and you have to do mistakes, otherwise there's no chance to grow. You could as well build a community, get a big network, use your resources, show that you are not replaceable. And the AI has, with one thing, a lot of difficulties, and that is the replacement with human emotions. If you work in an in-between area, like for example, in between of IT and the user or something like that, you are most probably safe because everything gets more complicated and we have still people who don't want to work with computer technology or whatever. So you have an open area in which you can specialize in and earn your money with that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.